Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the iPhone stuck on loading screen issue. If you have an iPhone stuck on loading screen issue, as you can see on the right of my screen, um, and it doesn't boot up, you just have the logo stuck. There's a few things you can do. It's very simple. But before I tell you, please like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever. So I had this issue on my iPhone, and it can get and it can happen in multiple situations. But the first fix is basically to hold the volume down and power button. Look what it says here. Press and hold the volume down and power button simultaneously until the device turns on. This actually worked for my iPhone 6 before. I had this issue for like 2 days because one of the fixes that people tell you to do is just leave your phone for an hour. Well, it didn't happen for me. But this fixed my iPhone back in the day. I'm using an iPhone XS right now. Another thing you can do is just leave your iPhone for like 30 minutes, an hour, maybe until the battery runs out to see if that will fix it. But for me, just the button, volume down, power button, that fixed the issue. If this video helped you out, because it did, give it a like, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.